Why don't race cars have something as simple as a cup holder? It sounds ridiculous, but there's actually a very good reason. A race car is built around one goal: performance. Every part has to justify its weight, its space, and its effect on the car. A cup holder would add weight, take up valuable cockpit space, and give the driver something that simply doesn't belong in a racing environment. During hard braking and cornering, a normal cup would be useless anyway. Imagine trying to keep your coffee upright while pulling several Gs through a corner. In motorsport, even a cup holder is a luxury engineers don't need. Follow RevLine for more motorsport stories.